Good morning, class. Our today's topic is elasticity of demand. Okay. In previous topic, we have seen about the demand. Now, what is elasticity of demand? So, beta, the law of demand states that when price of good falls, consumer demand more unit of good. But how much more? It is important and useful to have magnitude of the change in quantity demanded to change in price. It is called price elasticity of demand. Okay. So, beta, in law of demand we have studied that when price increases, demand decreases. But how much demand is decreasing? Like suppose price is increasing by 10%. 10% is increase in the price, and due to that 10%, how much percent demand is falling? So that relationship is known as price elasticity of demand. So here in technical language we can say price elasticity of demand measures the responsiveness of demand of a good to change in its price. ओके, प्राइस में जो चेंज आ रहा है उसके रिस्पॉन्स में डिमांड पर क्या इफेक्ट आ रहा है, उसके कंपैरिजन में डिमांड कितनी चेंज हो रही है. दैट रिलेशनशिप, दैट रिस्पॉन्स ऑफ डिमांड इन टर्म ऑफ प्राइस इज कॉल्ड प्राइस इलास्टिसिटी ऑफ डिमांड. ओके बेटा, मार्शल वॉज द फर्स्ट economist to formulate the concept of price elasticity of demand. Okay, remember this thing, Marshall, Alfred Marshall was the first person who introduced this concept, price elasticity of demand. As the ratio of relative change in quantity demanded to a relative change in price, a relative measure is needed so that in different measures can be compared. These relative changes in demand and price are measured by percentage change. The percentage change are independent of unit. Numerically, price elasticity of demand is ED is calculated as, so this is the representation of calculating price elasticity of demand. What will be the formula? So beta, the formula will be, that is percentage change in quantity demanded upon percent change in price. Okay, through this formula we can easily calculate the price elasticity of demand. Okay, one alternate formula is also there, which I am going to write upside. Mathematically we can derive this as we can derive this delta Q upon delta P into P upon Q. This delta represents change in quantity, and this delta represents change in price, and this one will be your old price and old quantity. So through this formula you can also calculate the price elasticity of demand. Okay. Another formula is there also there beta, that is change in quantity demanded divided by original quantity demanded. This whole is divided by the change in price oblique divided by change in quantity. So when we derive this formula, it will be like this. Clear? So you will have to remember these two formulas for calculating the price elasticity of demand. Okay.